Hello, today I'm here to guide you how to block the annoying ads in your browser. Let's start.
First, open browser, type Chrome Web Store, and press Enter. Click the second link. Type SBlock Plus and press Enter. Click the first box. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Completed method 1. Click the above three dot and click on the setting. Click Privacy and Security. Click Security. Scroll down, find for Use Secure DNS. Click Custom. Now copy and paste the URL given at the description box. Completed method 2. First, right-click the Start button and click Run. Type Control Panel and click OK. Click Network and Internet, and then Network and Sharing Center. At the side, click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click the Wi-Fi and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version for TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Change the second box, first option to second option. Now copy and paste the IPv4 DNS IP address given at the description box. Now click OK. Now select Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6 and click Properties. Change the second box, first option to second option. Now copy and paste the IP6V DNS IP address given at the description box. Now click OK. Last, click Close. Completed method 3. Now let's see the result. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive the latest video. See you all in the next video. Bye.